Good morning, everyone. If you saw my post on Instagram recently, you would know that I am going to London and I've given myself 3 days, oh my God, not three, 10 days to make 3 outfits. Because I'm going up there at the same time as London Fashion Week, which I think is such an insane coincidence. So I decided, hey, I need to look good. It's London Fashion Week. If they catch me out on the street, I want to be photographed in a happily dressed original. So the timer starts now. Today is February 10th and I leave on the 21st. So yes, like that's 11 days, but technically I have 10 days, so I don't think I want to be sewing the day I have to leave. I'm at the studio. I'm gonna draft some patterns, and I thought that I'd just set you guys up, and you can watch me while I do that. But the goal for today is to knock out patterning all 3 of the outfits, question mark. Hopefully I can do, like I know I can probably pattern out 2 of the outfits. I think there's 7 items in total. I think 8 if you include the tie. Enough chit chat, I'm gonna get started drafting. One cool thing about drafting these fits is that some things that I've already drafted I can use as a base. Like I think for outfit number 3, the double-breasted like denim blazer jacket hybrid, I can use my liner jacket pattern for, so I can pull from that, which is great. And then like the pants, I have several pant patterns that I've already made. For number 3, we'll also have like a straighter leg than I normally do. So I brought a pair of jeans from home that I'm gonna measure to make sure I get the right width in the thigh, knee, and ankle. I guess I decided I'm gonna work on outfit number 3. I think the hardest is gonna be number 1, the jumpsuit. Even though it's like less pieces, but like the fit of that, and even the little front zipper cover just has to be so, it has to look good. So that scares me. And then the top for number 2, I'm also nervous about. I'm gonna be quiet, get started, stop doubting myself, and see what we can get done today. Alright, so it's probably been like an hour and a half since I last talked to you guys, and I have one of like the 8 pieces I need to have drafted. Lord, all this brand placement, they do not pay me enough. I drafted this, so like here are my pieces. Obviously this is the first round, but we have like our overlap for the double-breasted front. We have our waistband to close everything up. This also will be lined, but I want to test general shape and silhouette first. And once that's correct, then I'll go ahead and create the lining because I don't want to do double the work. Okay, so I'm stopping here for today. I went ahead and got everything to scale. All the pieces that I need, but I have not separated them like I have with the top, which is over here now. So now the next step is to like separate all these pieces. I am really excited, but I'm also very hungry, and I have a few other things to knock out before I leave the studio, and I have to leave the studio very soon. So I don't know when I'm gonna pick this thing back up. Alright, hello everyone, we are back at the studio. I finished drafting outfit number 3 at the co-working space that I have here in Atlanta. I realized as I was trying to draft outfit number 2 that I did not have my measuring tape on me. So I couldn't see like how low I needed the dip to go in that outfit. It is now, what, 1:30 p.m. and I have the top drafted for outfit number 2. And I actually just came to the epiphany that I might keep the pants the same in outfit number 1 and 2. It would save me a lot of headache, and when I thought about drafting the pant for outfit number 2, I was like, do I really want to make 2 whole pairs of pants? I think the answer is no. Now that I have 2 and 3 done, I think I'm going to go ahead and print them out. I was going to use my projector, but the idea of that just seems a little bit more, like I'm not as efficient with my projector as I am with just cutting, taping, getting together. And I do really want physical patterns because I need these to be right and not guesses. But thankfully I moved my little printer to the studio. Don't mind everything else on the floor. So I'm gonna get these files ready. Hello? I'm gonna get these files ready to be printed and then spend the rest of my afternoon cutting and taping the pattern pieces for 2 and 3 together before I go bowling tonight. Alright, I have cut everything out for outfit 2 and 3. I mean, minus the button up and the tie, just because that's not made yet. And I'm already noticing in the back pocket, it's too small. It looks like big enough when I put it on the back panel on the computer, but it's just so deceiving. Like, that pocket is tiny. Alright, so here is the old back pocket, but look how tiny that is. So this is the new pocket, which is much bigger and I think much more substantial for the back pocket of a denim jean. But I have officially run out of steam. But yeah, I think a really important thing about working efficiently, working hard, etc., doing a lot of stuff at once is knowing when to put it down. And it's time to put it down. Alright, so here is try on number 1 for the top of outfit number 2. Actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be. This is just obviously a test sew, a toile. There's definitely some things I already want to change from doing this once, but you know what? Not a bad first go. The pocket is here. This is the beauty of doing a toile, is that you can literally just draw on there. And then curve across. But now I can bring this over to my cutting table and measure how far down I want to move this drop and then steepen it out with the straps, because yeah, I really like that. And then I wanted this to be more pronounced. We're getting somewhere. The front is done, the back is done. So now I'm gonna put them together and see how skinny these bad boys are, because I have a feeling that they're gonna be on me. I'm just excited, moving through this at a nice little pace. Okay, now we really have pants. I think this is a perfect like leg opening length. The back yoke is way too low. Like that needs to come up tremendously. I do love, that looks so good. I wanted this kind of like line. I know you guys are kind of zoomed out, but I wanted like the pocket line from here to connect to how the, where the loop is on the back. So this is without a waistband, and it will have a curved waistband, but I love the pocket opening. It's just the right amount. I like how flush it sits, because these will sit a little higher. The crotch is at a good point, because I don't like it in my nuts like some people do. It's hard to tell that there's no warping because of all the lines that are happening, but yeah, that's really, really nice. These are in a much better place than the shirt was, the top was. I should try them together. Hi everyone, so it's actually 5:10 p.m. I have already left, ate some lunch, watched some TV, had some decompression time, and now I'm back to start on sample number 3. So we did the top for outfit 2, the bottom for outfit 3, now we're doing the top for outfit 3 as well. I have this really nice just like upholstery fabric that has a heavier weight, like I want this double-breasted jacket to be made out of. So hopefully there's enough here, we'll find out very soon. Hello everyone, it is a new day. Today is Thursday. Oh, it's 12 p.m. It's Thursday, 12 p.m. So I don't think I recorded this, but I finished the jacket for look 3 as well. I'm gonna try it on. Oh, I already tried it on, but I brought some clothes from home to start mixing and matching to see what the vibe is before I make changes to the pattern. So I brought a button up and tie to put on with this jacket and that pant just to make sure that the vibe's alright. And then I'm wearing currently my Ranger jeans, which is my wide leg sewing pattern, because I had the thought of using pant 3 for outfit 2, but it just didn't look nice. It didn't look good. So I'm trying to see if that top will look good with these wide leg pants that I have on. Okay, so here is the top from look 2. Really love how it looks with a wide leg pant, especially because this will have little clips that go in like right here. But yeah, I'm really feeling this. One down. Okay, here is outfit number 3 in its completion. I love these pants. The back yoke, oh, we already talked about this, I think. The back yoke is the only thing that needs to change. This is the top for look 3. I actually really love the way it turned out the first go. I love the little back seam, how it connects into the arms. That'll be shown off with the top stitching, which is exciting. It looks good, honestly, with the button up and the tie. The cuffs are not on yet, but with the cuffs, it might be a little too long. But I did do that so you can like put a hoodie under this if you wanted to. I'm even thinking about doing welt pockets right here as well, so that way there's pockets for the jacket. That's going above and beyond. Do I have the time to do that? We will see. I think this is my favorite look so far. But yeah, I'm about to do a lot of computer work, so who knows when I'll pick this thing back up. Here they are in all their glory. We have all the regular pieces here, which is what I've sewn. And then I added in the welt pocket and all that comes with that. And then we have the lining down here as well. 17 pieces right here. And now we move on to fixing the issues with the pants. It is 12:30 p.m. on Friday, and I have some good news. As of today, I have my first official invite to a London fashion show. I'm going to a show. The designer's name is Ray Chu. I'm so excited that I get to go to a show in London Fashion Week. It is happening the day I get there. So I think I like get there in the morning and the show I think is at 3. But I'm gonna make it work. I'm going to make it work. Which one of these looks am I gonna be sporting? Who knows? Today I'm at the studio to finish up the pant for outfit number 2 and then hopefully start drafting the jumpsuit and getting all these patterns printed out and taped together.